welcome to this week's Movement Monday. This week we're going to be looking at, again, a bit of whole body strength, also a bit of core strength here. So we're starting on our hands and knees position. So spread the fingers nice and wide. We are going to be taking a bit more weight through the arms. So you want to feel that they're locked and strong. If you have issues with your wrists, you might want to take them a little bit further forward, or you can rest on your knuckles so that the wrists are straight as another option. So from here, we'll just do a little bit of circling just to ease out any general aches and pains. Good. And then come back to the centre. We want a nice long back. Start to draw the belly in. We're going to tuck the toes under and just see how it feels to lift the knees off the floor and come back down. Untuck your toes. Again, you might want to ease off, have a little break. And again, let's tuck the toes under. Take a breath in. Exhale, lifting the knees and come back down. Now you can practice coming up and down as often as you like, but we're now going to have a go at holding this position. So tucking the toes under, take a deep breath, exhale, lifting the knees. So we're drawing the tummy in, breathing into the ribs, pressing the toes down. Start to push the heels back. And the longer we're here, the more we become really clear about what parts of the body are working. So again, it's a simple pose, but it's doing a lot. Nice, steady breath. Whenever you feel you've had enough, bring the knees down. Good. Let's take one more breath. Gently bring the knees down, easing off into whatever feels a nice release. You might want to rest all the way down. Take some deep breaths. Allow the body to rest. Again, you might just like to do a few wrist rolls just to ease out. And take a couple of deep breaths. Well done. So have a play around with that and see if you can build up the time you hold.